Today, let us prepare Paneer Capsicum Masala. Before we continue, please do like, share and subscribe my channel to your friends. Your one effort means a lot to me, but this motivates us to make more videos like this. Those who have already subscribed and liked, thank you so much for your support. Those who haven't, please do it. It motivates me a lot.
To make Paneer Capsicum Masala, take a pan, heat it, pour oil, pour in capsicum. I have taken red and green capsicum. Saute it. Now I am keeping this aside. Now take a pan, pour oil. Now I am adding in onion. Saute this. Adding little salt. In the ginger garlic paste. Saute till the raw flavor of the ginger garlic goes. Now adding the tomato puree. Swell. Now adding in turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder. Saute it well. In jeera powder. Adding about 1 tablespoon water to roast this spices well. Now I am adding the cashew nut paste. I have soaked cashew in hot water and grinded it to a paste. This gives it the thickness to the masala and also a rich flavor. Add salt as per taste. Adding in the capsicum which we have sauteed previously. Now adding in the paneer.
The paneer which we have used here is homemade.
The garam masala powder.
It is looking so colorful.
Now paneer has cooked. Now lastly adding kasuri methi powder.
Wow, the dish looks very attractive due to the colorful capsicum which we have put. I am very eager to taste it. Our Paneer Capsicum Masala is ready. Our Paneer Capsicum Masala looks very colorful. This color is due to the variety of capsicum which we have added here. Let me try this out. The dish is so yummy. The cashew paste which we have added gives a very rich flavor and thickness to our dish. Please do try this out and comment below my video and let me know how it is. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Share it with your friends, neighbors and everyone. Do give my channel a thumbs up. Thank you.